I'm going to use ATEM Mini Pro to sing karaoke today. ATEM Mini Pro in addition to video input. You can also plug in this audio source. For example, I take this microphone and then, this video source. I just connected the songs from YouTube on my laptop. You can achieve the purpose of singing karaoke. But the biggest problem is, the music he released still had vocals. Then when you sing, your voice overlaps with the vocals of the original song. I would like to introduce a product today. It's called an instant vocal remover. This is the one. Its interface. It's this 3.5L line in and line out. We need to remove the vocal device through this one. Remove the vocals from YouTube songs. Then, we can remove vocals on ATEM Mini Pro. Then they sang karaoke. The interface for removing the vocals is line in and line out. We are line in. We connect to the 3.5mm interface of the laptop. Just connect it here. Then, I need to make a configuration on this computer. Make it sound from 3.5mm to adjust to the speakers of this original computer. That is line out. Next is the line out it processed. We will connect to this ATEM Mini Pro's mic too. The connection comes in like this. Then we turn on the power again. You press it like this. Isn't this flashing? Flash is to remove the vocals. Let's experiment. Remove vocals. If you feel that the sound is a bit oversaturated, you need to go to the ATEM Mini Pro software to set it up. Suppress his voice. Then, you go here and lower your voice. That's it. Personally, I still don't like to use software to deal with it. I like to use the hardware method. Line into mic adapter. Connect its original input to the converter's input. Then connect it to the output here. Handle it in a hardware way. Okay, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. But using this condenser microphone is easy to produce echo. You can replace it with a dynamic microphone. Your echo can be significantly reduced. This vocal remover is very powerful. You can play any song. Can remove the vocals. For example, today, I will briefly introduce it. How to connect your laptop with your ATEM Mini Pro. Play a song from YouTube by removing the vocal device. And then, sing karaoke on this ATEM Mini Pro.